Ladies and gentlemen, it's Pokemon Freaks Worldwide here. Yes, thank you very much actually for tuning in and watching this video. I'm going to give some code cards away for y'all to go get some digital free Pokemon online TCG. You guys can go get that Pokemon as soon as I get the code. Make sure to get it because they go pretty fast. My name is Victor. This channel is called Pokemon Freaks Worldwide. I need y'all to give me some love on it because the more love, the more power, the more I can advance in this series, these Pokemon TCG Nintendo Game Freak, guys. 10 additional cards in every pack. We're going to be hitting them as much as we can. Rare packs, vintage packs, any kind of new exciting product, you're going to be sure that I'm going to get it. So guys, I've been spending a lot of money on Pokemon cards, but it's for one great, beautiful reason, and I'll tell you why. It's for sharing, for caring, giving away, donating, receiving, and creating great content for y'all. So my name is Victor, and we are opening up Zamazenta. Sorry. Warning, choking hazard, guys. Small parts, not for children under 3 years old. So if you have little children, make sure you don't leave these box sets near them. Guys, let's get into this. You guys click the video to watch me unbox this. This is epic. This is a beautiful set. If I'm not mistaken, this you can get at Walmart also. This is about $120. I'm surprised that they actually had these still on the shelf. Beautiful. It comes in a great, beautiful box. Not only that, it's absolutely epic because I'll tell you why. This book, okay, it's a Sword and Shield series player's guide, but not only is it, this book shows you all the promo cards, guys. Look, I'll show you guys this. Okay, so we're just going to skip forward to here. Table of contents. This is very exciting for me to showcase this, guys, because it's kind of cool. When I seen this, I was absolutely stoked. Pokemon TCG Sword and Shield series promo card list. So by a promo card list, guys, is that there is a black star promo, guys. As you can see, if I bring it in close, there's a little black star and it says promo across the star. These are very high collectible cards, and some of them they'll have the name of the set right across it, just like this, as you guys can see. And some are different, so you can get your full art, you can get different multiple types of. Look at this Pikachu for an example. Isn't it gorgeous, guys? I think that's like almost like a $50 Pikachu if I'm not mistaken. There's Rillaboom. We have Toxtricity, Zacian V. This is absolutely beautiful, and the list goes on, guys. So look at this. These are all the promo cards, and it's cool that they have that series marked right on the front of the card. So yeah, this is the first time that I see this. And guys, this is absolutely crazy. This year for Pokemon 2021, absolutely insane. You had Chilling Rain, guys. You have Battle Styles. All new Pokemon. All new hits. All new cards to look through. There's the credits. We're going to give credit to Pokemon. www.pokemon.com. And please, guys, Card Magica in Ottawa. Absolutely great place to get your Pokemon cards. They are on Saint Laurent. I'll leave a link down in the description. But let's get into this box. Look at this box, how beautiful it is, guys. They did a lot of, this is epic, this box. This box is absolutely beautiful. This is crazy. If I'm not mistaken, we get some crazy stuff in this box, guys. This is crazy. Yes, I am trying to create the best content. We get a Pokemon trading card game rule book. So it comes with the rule book. Comes with these great sleeves that we're going to open, because if we're positive, we're going to get positive pulls, guys. Take a look. We get these. Look at how beautiful these sleeves are, guys. Absolutely gorgeous, right? Guys, let me know which one is your favorite pack that we're going to pull in here. What is the pro? Oh, wow. Here we go, guys. Look at this. Still in the package. This is what's the good fall break on this, guys. This is, you actually get a beautiful promo card, and the centering looks absolutely beautiful. We're going to keep it in the plastic. Actually, we should give this away. Yeah, so let's give this away to somebody. So please like, share, guys. And I'm going to give this one to y'all. I haven't been doing that many giveaways lately, but I am back into it. I'm back in the Pokemon game opening up, guys. Here we go. We're going to do all the code cards at the end. Beautiful. You get these nice dividers. It's always good when if you want to put your hollows and your non-hollows, and if you guys want to separate them, we get these packs. What do we get inside? Oh wow, look at this, guys. Completely different compared to the other ETBs, guys. Look at this. Gold coins, guys. Look at this. This is cool. This is awesome. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Oh, this one was open. The Counter-Strike. Wow. Guys, this is absolutely epic. Not only that, you get these metal dice. This is cool, guys. This is worth $100 and something, guys. Absolutely insane. What do we get in here? Vivid Voltage. Right on. Fat Pikachu. So we get, oh, Darkness Ablaze, guys. 2 packs of Darkness Ablaze. 3 packs. Sword and Shield Rebel Clash, guys. No wait. And then Sword and Shield, Sword and Shield, and Sword and Shield. So the variety of packs are not bad. This is absolutely, let's just mix it up, guys. You want to mix it up? Alright. Let's go, guys. Oh, well, look at this. First pack. I never think that you can actually get a Charizard from a Charizard pack. You rub the belly, supposedly. It works. 10 additional game cards. Let's go. Gotta catch them all. Yes, guys. This pandemic is crazy, yeah? It's almost over. Let's go. Everybody's taking care. They're wearing their masks. Let's fight for the kill, guys. Let's get a great pull here. Panzer, guys. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I'm a mechanic and I'm a roofer. More lull. Wishy the washy, guys. Cuffin, not yet an elephant. Daniel. Can't pronounce his name. Artikovish. It's a rare, guys. As you can see, there's a star there. 054/189. Beautiful card. Reverse hollow, which is not hollow inside, but it's hollow on this side. It's a fossil Pokemon, guys. And yes, sir, we got ourselves a Crobat, guys. Yes, sir. A Crobat V. Look at the artwork on that. Wow. I love Crobat, guys. Crobat is a wicked Pokemon. Look at that. That purple in the card, they made it shine so much. It pops right out. How's the centering on this? Not a mark. We're good to go. It could get graded. It could actually get a 10 for this card. It looks absolutely beautiful. Some of the cards that you get, if they get a print line, you're kind of sad. It does happen from time to time. But that's a nice Crobat, guys. V. Energy is the metal type. That would be our uncommon. Pupitar. Let's go. Look at the artwork on this. These guys love apples, it looks like. There's the code card. Sword and Shield, Darkness Ablaze, guys. So, we're going to put these on the side over here. Not to get them in our way. And let's mix it up again. We'll go with a Vivid Voltage. Let's go. Sword and Shield. Let's get some good hits, guys. I feel it tonight. I feel this box. This box has to have some good hits. We have Skidoo, guys. Eevee. I love Eevee. Trubbish. Shuppet should have been a puppet. Choodle. Beautiful Choodle, by the way. Love Choodle. Choodle's a great looking Pokemon. Oh, what was this? Oh, Galarian Darkmountain. Beautiful card. Still, it's probably only worth like $2, but still, it is good. It is a rare. It is a full art. It's shiny. We're going to keep it. We'll put it in a sleeve. We're going to protect this bad boy. You never know in these giveaways if we get so many of these. If you guys need any of these cards that I got doubles in, just hit me up. Pokemonfreaksworldwide at gmail.com. You guys can message me. I also message back. I do communicate with a lot of my fans. Here is Sword and Shield Vivid Voltage, the Fat Pikachu. Can we catch this fat boy? I call him Fat Boy because I make fun of him because I never caught him yet. Can my Pokeball catch them all? There's Yama. Whooper. Whoop, there it is. Deanie. Peek, peek. Choodle again. Snorlax. And, oh, I love the Snorlax, though. What do you guys think? There is our rare Dragna. Electric type. Sir Chester's Bath. Hitting on top. Swoobet. And please, get the code card. Go get yourself a free digital Pokemon. Please let me know in the comments if you guys find my code cards are legit and you guys actually use them. I'd like to know, because I actually can give you guys, the one lucky subscriber, a ton of code cards if you guys like the video and share. I got also multiple that I could give out to you guys. So let's go. Happy Canada's Day, by the way, guys. Here in Canada, if you're watching the video, just want to let you guys know that it's a beautiful day for Canada Day. So Bundlebee, it always rains on Canada Day, and today it hasn't rained. So God has provided us with some beautiful weather, guys, today. There is a reverse Cafe. And we got the Diggersby, Blue, Doug Trio, Rare Fossil, and the code card. Alright. We are in search for the Charizard. Of course we are. We all know that. We're always looking for that Zard. It's been so long I haven't pulled a Charizard on the channel. We deserve it. We deserve to watch me pull a Charizard for y'all. Gullet, guys. Feebas. Let's go. Perleon. Hippopotas. Drit. The Bird Keeper. And we still got a Bird Keeper. This is our rare, guys. Psychic type. Birds. And the code card. Damn it. We are trying the best that we can. A Celebi. These Celebis are cool in a full art, by the way. Yep. They are absolutely beautiful. I thought that was shiny for a second. Blixel. Skidoo. Let's go. How do you do? Oh, yes, sir. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. We're still getting some great cards, though. Drapion V. It is a rare. Let's take a look at the centering, guys. What I mean by the centering is how they Pokemon prints these cards out and they put them on the cards. I had a clip error card the other day, which I'm going to showcase y'all. They forgot to cut the card, guys. You should see how it looks like. It's absolutely epic. It's got to be worth something. It's unique, guys. Dark Energy, Stone Energy, Electric, and the code card. Yes, sir. Alright, we are into this like crazy. 12 minutes in, and we are fighting for the pulls, guys. Let's stay alive. Positivity brings positive vibes. We all said it. You guys watch Breaking Nate? Beautiful man with his wife, opening up great Pokemon, always showcasing and having fun. Ghastly Reverse Hollow. Sandaconda. It's not an Anaconda, it's Sandaconda. Electric Vitality Band, Pokemon Catcher, Bisharp, and the code card, guys. Beautiful. Let's continue. We're not done. Sword and Shield again. Sword and Shield. This was a crazy set. There was a lot of good cards from here. I did get the Rillaboom, Joltik, Rosella, Golden. There's the Diglett, Wooloo, Sandaconda, guys. Again with that Psychic type. The birds are coming out. Loomberry, Rare Candy, and the code card. Absolutely gorgeous. We are fighting, guys. We are getting enough reverse hollows, mind you. Some of these reverse hollows will be worth enough later on. Surprisingly, I was checking out some prices on some. Some are up and down, right? You can get the 11 cents. Wow, big deal, eh? You get an 11 cents card. You pay like almost $10 a booster pack and get an 11-cent card. There it is. There's our reverse hollow. And then we get this bad boy. Toxic Mouth. Beautiful. Getting a sleeve, sir. We have that Dark Energy coming in for Canada Day. The Mouth Pokemon. It is a rare 124 / on the 202. There's that Fire Energy coming out. So that would have been a Fire Pull, Mantine, Quick Ball, and the code card for y'all. Alright. Let's get back into this with a Rebel Clash, guys. Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. This is another great set that was crazy in demand when it first came out. Rebel Clash, I loved it. I was always getting great pulls. There's the Vulpix, Phantom, the Bird, Farfetch'd, and a bird for the rare. Blue. Yes, you can't always get the beautiful hits, guys. You gotta, it's like a gambling game, this. You go in for the kill, and sometimes you don't have the thrill. But my name is Pokemon Freaks. Thank you for watching. Hopefully your kids are watching. And hopefully you guys like the video. Share it. It helps me. My channel grows. Nose Pass, Wingull, Phantom, Bronzer, Toxel, Corsola, and that is our rare. Wow, beautiful, but not beautiful. There it is. Not too shabby. The box is not providing that much of a kill. Last pack Rebel Clash, guys. Last pack magic, they say. Hopefully it brings us some good luck. Hopefully you and your family are safe. Let's go for the kill. Mr. Mime, Caterpie, not yet a butterfly, Barbuch, and a kinda looking thing. Stuffle looks like a nice cute teddy bear. And yes, Zamazenta. And we're gonna pull in some beautiful cards here. Hold on a second.